Hi there, it's Mike. I'm glad you're here. I've got a good one for you today. We're talking about local business advantages when it comes to marketing. Let me share my screen and we will get going. There are a lot of powerful advantages when you're a local business owner to boost your sales and your profits as a local business owner. It's everything from in-store events to community partnerships. These strategies really help you connect with your customers and get them to keep coming back and buying again and again. And it makes you stand out in your neighborhood. Let's get going. I'm going to share 13 advantages that you can use starting right away, things people don't think about. Because remember, you aren't in your business. You're not, hold on. You are not in the business of your business. You're in the business of marketing your business. Without marketing, your chances of success go way down. You're relying on hope, hoping for people to come in the door. With marketing, you are in control. You create your own sales on demand, and anybody can do it. Just takes a little bit of effort and thought. Because when people, even people that hate advertising, they hate marketing, they putter along using hope for customers, getting new leads only if they happen to walk in the door. It's vitally important to market because when those people market and buy advertising, when they go out of business and they have to sell their store, then they buy advertising. It doesn't make any sense. So let's get going. You have a tremendous advantage because you have a store. You can have experiences in your store for your community. You can host fun and engaging events that bring people to you. They're happy to come in for a reason, but they need a reason to come in, and that can be a special event. A lot of companies have one special event a year. You're wasting 11 more chances. You could have an event every month. Focus instead of the entire community. Focus on having some exclusive events only for your VIPs, only for your most valuable customers, your best customers. That's where all or a majority of your profits are coming from. The better you treat your VIPs, the more they will come back, the more they will refer you to others. The more wealthy customers you have, the bigger products you'll be able to sell. Another advantage is you have face-to-face connections with your customers. That's something no online store has. You can reach out, you can call them, you can talk to them when they come in the store, have a real conversation, figure out what they need, and provide them with personalized service. You can also offer VIP offers, special deals, rewards for your loyal customers with exclusive deals just for them. You make them feel special. You invite them to take advantage of a special deal just for VIPs. The more often you do that, the more money you'll make. Another thing about local businesses is you can get involved in the community by helping charities, by partnering with other businesses and organizations in your community. You get goodwill from helping other people in the community, being a part of the community. It's not just about the money. You are helping everyone. Focus your advertising on the immediate area around your business. Those are people that are most likely to come into your store. You don't need to advertise to the entire state, the entire country. You're focused on your local neighborhood. What about building relationships? All the other local businesses around you share the same leads and prospects that you do. You can partner with them, cross promote, share customer lists, expanding your reach. They already have their list. And if you cooperate with them, collaborate, they'll be more than happy to share their customers with you if you'll share your customers with them. Everybody wins. They can pass out special deals for you, for their customers, give them special treatment. They're much more likely to come in and shop with you. Also, it's a good idea to build your own VIP customer list. This is your top 20% of customers. They buy the most products, they buy the most expensive products, and they're the most recent buyers. Those three things, recency, frequency, monetization, that means they're a more valuable customer. It's the 80-20 rule. 80% of your sales and profits come from your 20% top customers. By being local and building the relationship with your customers, you learn what they want. You learn what they need, what they can't find. You fill the gap with your products. It's a great way to increase your sales and really stand out in your neighborhood. Here's another thing you can do. You can leverage your local insights because you know that market better than anyone else. You can keep a list of what people are asking for. What do they want more of, less of? What can't they find? And then you tailor that with your products and services. You can identify gaps, spot opportunities to fill in unmet needs, and deliver products or services that nobody else is offering, things they just can't find. Being local, you know the neighborhood, you know the city, you know what's going on around town. You can adapt and innovate to stay ahead of the curve, stay ahead of the trends, and meet the changing demands of your market. You don't want to depend on people just wandering into your store. You want to create your own sales, your own leads. It's easier than you think. It just takes a little planning. For effective local marketing, you want to be engaging. You want to infuse your marketing. It's got to be exciting and enthusiastic, interesting. If you want to capture their attention, it doesn't matter if it's an ad, letter in the mail, you've got to be interesting and excited about something. The more excited you are, the more excited the reader is. Spark curiosity. You want to use intrigue, make thought-provoking messaging that inspires people to want to know more about you. What's your story? Why do you do what you do? How do you go the extra mile to really help your people? You also want to educate your customers by sharing insights in advertising, in your marketing. Teach them something new that they didn't know about before. Share. Be helpful. When you're personalizing your connections, you want to target your messaging. It has to be crafted to speak directly to a specific need or interest of one type of person. You cannot market to the entire city at one time. The more specific you are, the better you'll be able to help that one specific person find exactly what they're looking for. Your ads will work much better. Personalized offers. Surprise and delight your customers with special promotions that make them feel value. Give them an experience they won't forget. Let them have fun. Foster genuine, long-lasting connections with your customers by providing exceptional service and support. This means treating your VIPs extra special. They deserve it. They feed your family. They buy you houses. They buy you cars. They are your most important people. Everyone in your staff should know to treat them exceptionally, and they should know who those people are. Unlock your potential by using some of these 13 powerful advantages to transform your local business and achieve really fantastic success. When you embrace your community, when you connect with your customers, that allows your marketing to be 10x more effective. Give it a try. I highly recommend you try it. It's worked wonders for many of the businesses I work with. I hope you'll think about this and put it in action. For a lot more, you can reach out to me. I'd be happy to help. Thank you for listening and enjoy the day.